Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take a look at a piece of equipment that I think everyone should have in their car, and that's a battery jump starter. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features that this one has, and then we'll show you how to use one. Alrighty, so first off, we can see that this is a 600 peak amp battery with a 300 amp instant starting feature. We'll talk more about that here in just a little bit. It has a battery indicator to show you how much it's charged up. Whenever you've got it all the way to where all three lights are a solid color and not blinking, that means it's full. You've got three 3.1 amp USB ports here to charge your tablets, your phones, anything that can charge off of a USB cable. And then on the side here, we've got a nice little spotlight flashlight for anything you're working on under the hood. If you turn it around here, we can see our jumper cables. Here is our little charging port, or how you charge the battery. You actually have to take an extension cord and plug that in like that and let it charge. Go ahead and spin it back around, and it actually has a reverse polarity alarm. So if you connect the negative to the positive, positive to the negative, it will beep at you and tell you, hey, you need to switch these cables, you're not getting any juice out of that. So let's go ahead and look under the hood and see how this thing works. Before attaching any of the clamps, we want to determine what type of battery system we're attaching it to. This here is a negative grounded terminal system. As you can see right here from my negative battery terminal, I'm grounded to the metal of my car way down in there. So the positive is going to go here on the positive terminal, and then the black is not going to go on the negative terminal there, but it's going to go on either the ground all the way down in there or another piece of metal that's grounded on the car. Once you've got the system grounded and connected to the positive terminal of your battery, you can go ahead and flip the switch here and start charging your battery. After just a few minutes of having the battery jumper connected, go ahead and start trying to start your car, and you should be able to get it to crank. I barely had it connected that long because my battery is fine, but as you can see from the 300 amp instant starting power that it has, we've already gone down to just having these two battery lights instead of the third one all the way at the top, the full indicator. So yeah, this will get your battery going so that you can get to an auto repair shop, somewhere that you can get a battery and swap it out for the dead one. This isn't going to recharge your battery all the way up, or make it to where it's gonna last for a long time. This is just to get you going so that you can get somewhere and replace it. And then for storage, I've just got it here in the trunk where the spare would be. These newer cars don't come with a spare tire, they just have that spare kit. So I went ahead and just used the storage for that under my subwoofer. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I just thought this would be a cool little piece of equipment for you to check out. If you've been like me and ever been stranded where your batteries died because you have so many electronics and stuff that you're constantly running in the car, then this is definitely a tool for you to check out. Go ahead and check out another video that's on the channel somewhere. There's gonna be a bunch of them on the side somewhere, and probably some down in the description below. Again, thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you in my next video.